Hello, I am Esther. Our grandmothers were masters at putting excellent meals on the table, cooked with the few ingredients they had at home. For example, they had the ability to create something new and delicious using leftover from previous meals. Today I'm going to cook crocchette di riso using some risotto leftovers. You can find the link to the recipe of the risotto I'm using in the info box, but you can use the leftovers of any risotto. For this recipe we will also need 2 eggs, some Parmigiano Reggiano cheese, some breadcrumbs, salt, pepper, nutmeg, some flour, and some cheese to fill the crocchette. I'm using pecorino cheese, but you can use mozzarella or provola, whatever cheese you prefer. Put the risotto leftover on a bowl, add the eggs, and mix with a spoon. Season with pepper, salt, and nutmeg. Add the Parmigiano Reggiano cheese, mix. Add a few spoons of flour to thicken the mixture. Mix. The mixture has to remain a little sticky. Taste and correct the seasoning if it is needed. Set aside for later. Cut some cheese cubes. Take a spoon of mixture, put a cube of cheese in the middle, put it in the breadcrumbs, and form a croquette with your hands. Go on like this until you finish your mixture. It's time to deep fry our croquette in hot oil at 180 degrees Celsius, that is 356 Fahrenheit. I'm using sunflower oil. Deep fry until they are brown. Drain the croquette on kitchen paper to remove the excess oil. The crocchette di riso are ready. You can serve it as a starter or as a side dish, or you can just eat it as a snack, maybe watching your football match on TV. Buon appetito!